How to link Steam to Discord. So here is a simple step-by-step guide to link your Steam account to Discord so your friends can see what you are playing or easily connect with you. So first of all, navigate to the Discord app or Discord website and make sure you are logged into your Discord account. Now here all you have to do is click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner near your username and navigate to the user settings. Inside user settings, all you have to do is at the left hand side you can see connection option available there. Simply tap on it. This shows all the services you can connect with. From here, find the Steam icon and simply click on the Steam logo. Then you'll be navigated to enter your Steam username and password and complete any Steam Guard verification if prompted. So that is it. Your Steam account will appear in connection once you enter your correct Steam email and password. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.